Hi again. Well, this is our last lesson, and in this lesson we are going to learn a different way to express possession. We are going to use some examples from previous lessons. So here I highlighted some words. You can see here my, your, our, their, its, his, her. And in the last sentence, I have India's. So when I am talking about my, I refer me here, okay? My name is Kiera. Okay? Your country is beautiful. Our family is from Australia. In this case, you are included in the group. Their names are Kiara and Dija. Its official language is English. In this case, you can refer to animals, places, or things. His name is Luis. We are talking about something that belongs to a boy. That's why you have this. Her house is in the city. So here we are referring to a girl's thing. The last example that you can see here is quite different from the other. You have India's, apostrophe S, indicates also possession. Capital is New Delhi. These words are called possessive adjectives. My, okay, refers to my, your, our, their, its, his, and her. Every time that I use these words, I am going to need a noun. That's why I say my house, your car, our school, their mother, its house, his brother, her sister. And after this, I need a verb, and I can use verb to be and to has. Remember that we have already learned these verbs in the first lessons. Here you can see that we are combining something we already know, something that we learned in previous lessons, with something new. This is, here I repeat the last sentence I had in the examples. In this case, I don't have my, your, his, or her, but I have, in this case, the name of the place, apostrophe and S. This also is going to indicate possession. It's a different way. In that way, we are more specific. I can change here for the name of a person, for example, Claudia's brother. Or I can say Tomás' father. In this case, I have India's capital is New Delhi. In other words, we have the capital of India is New Delhi. That's the meaning of this apostrophe S. Kenya's family is big. We can use different words, but it's the same meaning. The family of Kenya is big. So this is another way to express possession, apostrophe S. So what the arrangement, the order we need to follow to write a sentence using this apostrophe S called genitive S is you first write down the name of the person, or in this case, name of country. Then you add apostrophe S, that is this part. Then you need a noun. Here you have the noun. A verb, in this case is, or I can use have. And the complement. In this case, New Delhi is the complement. Big is the complement. Remember that the complement, the purpose of the complement is to finish the idea. So we need it most of the times. And this is another way to express possession. So again, we have here the same example in order to remember. So here we have, these are possessive adjectives: my, your, our, okay, their, in this case, well, their, its, that could be, remember, an animal, a thing, a place, his, that is something that belongs to a boy, her, something that belongs to a girl. And another way to express possession is adding to the name of a person or a place an apostrophe and an S. Okay, so as this is our last lesson, and you can see that we use some other things that we were using in previous lessons, in the other lessons, you are going to have a final activity in your virtual classroom. In this final activity, you are going to practice into a context, state and possession. That has to be with the conjugation, the correct form of verb to be and to have. Maybe some WH questions. Remember, we saw questions about name. No, what's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? Who is she? And expressing possession, no, possessive adjectives. That was this last thing I explained to you, and genitive S. So you're going to use that into a context. Now it's time to practice everything you know in a free way, because you have done some other exercises that have helped you to understand these structures. So this is the ending of this unit. Thank you very much, and see you then. Bye.